Hey there, HolidayDisplayTips.com coming back at ya. I've decided to make my TikTok just ultimately be highlight snippets, those sorts of things from my weekly blogs. So this past Wednesday, I posted a blog all about the differences between mini lights, C9 lights, C7s, globe lights, all that sort of stuff. And for this particular TikTok, I'm going to concentrate on the differences between the C9 and the mini lights. So here I have a set of mini lights in the form of a net and a line of C9 lights beside them. As you can see, the difference is quite significant and the mini lights are also dimmer. However, when you put those up on a bush, they do have a very great aura as opposed to the C9 lights that I find, unless you do them very perfectly, they kind of get a little bit messy. The big downside for these net lights is that they bind up on each other significantly easier in storage than the C9s in my experience. And yeah, it just gets very difficult to straighten them out. But ultimately, you might make that time back in actually the difficulty that it takes to put up a round of C9 lights, wrapping those around, trying to catch each end, bringing it back around, as opposed to just slapping a net light on and letting it be. I'll be back tomorrow night to discuss more differences between the different types of mini lights. See you then.